Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Gumba Jylla manau Ustm hadian bagi Samla Pule kila pendep ya kijing Pule jongki hagi tenat Pule boper ka Skul ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya haga singi ba arjong katayo ka khat santarik uno pra arjar arpo kala Pynkup Burom ya ki Samla Pule haga 6 Convocation ka balalong ha Central Auditorium jonggani ka Skul ba ka badon ha bari dua. Hagani ke jingyalang Pynkup Burom ki Samla Pule ka basyongkun lawan bani shimenta kumu kongsan dau Satya Pal Malik ulat ka Jylla haga jingye don lang u Chancellor ke Skul ba Ustm u MHAG u Professor GD Sharma Vice Chancellor Professor Vonit Kumar Jain Vice Chancellor ke Tezpur University Professor SK Srivastava, Vice Chancellor ke Nehu, ki Samla Pule, ki nohikai, bat ki kme ki kpa ki balawan ban senran lang ya ki Samla Pule, lembat ki nong yok priang ya ki jing Pynkup Burom beper. Hagani kesngi, kumba syihajar laispa laifu arngut ki Samla Pule, ki bala pendep ya ki jing Pule, ki la syak Pynkup Burom. Haga basi pongut ki dei ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ka PhD, kendai spa arpesan ngut ki dei ki bala pendep ya ka postgraduate, but laispa kendai punyongut kidai ki bala pendep ya ka undergraduate degrees. Shusho na kaliang ka Skul ba Ustm kala Pynkup Burom ru ya ki kusnam kerpang syaki arngut ki bala no seniang syaka imlang ka salang bakentup yo Professor Sanjay Deshmukh ubala yo ya ka honorary degree of Doctor of Science but ka Kong Patricia Mukhim ka bala yo ya ka honorary degree of Doctor of Letters kat ba ya ka kusnam Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Best Postgraduate Award la yo da ka Rezwana Farhin na ka Department of Mathematics but ka PA sangma Best Undergraduate Award la yo daw Nilotpal Deka naga Department of Physics.
जो यूनिवर्सिटी में अभी जब बिहार में गवर्नर हुआ तो मुझे मेरी मदर यूनिवर्सिटी में टीचर्स स्टूडेंट्स और मैनेजमेंट ने बुलाया ऑनर करने के लिए। तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं एमएलए रहा हूँ, एमपी रहा हूँ, दोनों हाउस का, राज्यसभा का भी, लोकसभा का भी, केंद्र में मिनिस्टर रहा हूँ और गवर्नर हूँ। ये सारे ओहदे दे सकता हूँ मैं अगर मुझे कॉलेज में या यूनिवर्सिटी में बिताए गए मेरे 5 साल वापस आते हैं। ये जो दिन आप यहाँ बिताते हैं इनका कोई मुकाबला नहीं होता। ये जिंदगी दोबारा नहीं मिलेगी और आप ये महसूस करेंगे यहाँ से जाने के बाद कि क्या दिन थे। मेरे पूरे करियर में भी मेरा मेरठ यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रेसिडेंट होना ही मेरे काम आया। अभी तक मेरे करियर में वहाँ जो मैंने बोलना चालना सीखा वही काम है। गाँव से तो हम एक अनगढ़ झाड़ी की तरह आए थे। हमारे प्रोफेसर उस जमाने में वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोफेसर थे, उन्होंने हमको तलाश के आदमी बनाया और वो आज हमारे काम आए।
6th Convocation has given a courage even to the founder of this university, and nearly 900 students have joined, and they will be receiving in the second session. They will be personally receiving the degrees. We have a second session, and we have many students from different corners of the northeastern region have got the gold medal. This is a University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. It is a symbolic representation that we have students from all over the northeastern states and from all communities. And this is one of the peaceful campus here. The students are staying together. We have hostel facility. We have all other kind of amenities available here. And parents, especially, they love to put their children here in University of Science and Technology because of the location, serene location, cool, away from the city, but all the facilities of the cities are available inside the campus. So we are looking forward that this university will grow further and further, and by 2025 we want to put a mark that our university is one of the nationally reputed university, and by 2025 we want to make it a world-class institutions through our contribution in the field of research. So these are for all these things It's my request that you make a visit to the campus. If time, you see our central instrumentation facility, and if you see this our world-class infrastructure, certainly you will realize that in the coming days we want to do something in the field of education and research. This is universal true that our Indian university is not a single university is not among 100 world-class institutions, and it is because of the lack of research. Our peoples are talented. Our peoples are not getting an environment, and therefore they are going outside other countries, Western countries, and they are getting Nobel Prize from the other countries. Why? Because we could not create the infrastructure, we could not give the honor to the people who have a talented people. So at USTM we are trying to make it. We are a self-financed university, and whatever the fees we are getting from the students, we are trying to excel. But there is a limitation. In such kind of issues, the government must come forward with research facilities, more and more investment in the field. Still our GDP for the education is very, very less. And being a governor of the state of Meghalaya, he has shared this experience that even in the parliament, there is no debate on the education issue. So it is we have not given, even we have a kind of lots of changes in our country, but education we have seen, being the founder of this university, we have not seen there is a lots of emphasis on education. So it is self-financed institution. If they get the favorable environment and administrative support from the government of India, I think self-financed university can do research in the coming days. Because if we see today, Governor of Meghalaya have mentioned the name of the universities, and all these universities are the private universities of US and other countries. UK, the Cambridge is a private university, Oxford is a private university. All such universities have contributed in the field of research. They have 136 Nobel laureates. But Indian private education system was late, and therefore they could not contribute.